Mediation as a voluntary or court-ordered process is an opportunity for the parties to a dispute to try to reach a resolution of their dispute without the expense, delay in time, and risk of outcome associated with a civil trial. Generally, civil lawsuits require a very significant expense to all the parties involved in the lawsuit to prepare the case for trial. Even more expense is incurred in the trial of the case. Courts are busy. Generally, it is a long time between filing the lawsuit and actually going to trial. Most civil lawsuits involve a dispute over the amount of money that may or may not be awarded to the party claiming they have been injured or damaged in some regard. No one can predict with certainty the outcome of a trial. If there is a monetary award to the plaintiff, all expense associated with trial preparation and trial itself must be deducted from the monetary award. If the defendant or defendants win the trial, there is no monetary award to be recovered by the plaintiff. Moreover, generally the defendants have no recourse to recover their litigation expenses. Mediation is a process whereby the parties and their lawyers meet with a trained and experienced person who is neutral and has no stake or interest in the outcome. That person, by training and experience, conducts a process of negotiations with the goal of achieving a compromise of the dispute. The parties remain in complete control of what they are willing to do to accomplish that compromise. The result in its entirety is a matter of negotiation, with the mediator acting as the facilitator. If the parties cannot reach a settlement, the case proceeds with trial preparation and trial. By comparison, mediation involves a day or less for most cases and very little expense as compared to litigation. But, if the parties reach a compromise and settlement of their differences at mediation, generally a significant amount of cost associated with litigation is avoided. Risk of the outcome of trial is avoided because the parties have remained in control of their decision as to the outcome, and closure and result is reached much sooner than later. If money is to change hands, generally that takes place with dismissal of the case within weeks rather than months or even years associated with litigation and trial. Mediation is an inexpensive, efficient, highly effective process readily available to achieve a desired and voluntary outcome without the incredible expense, time and risk associated with trial. The benefits of participating in mediation greatly outweigh not doing so.